A phrase is a group of words that functions as a single unit in a sentence. Unlike a clause, a phrase doesn't contain a subject and a predicate. उर्दू डेफिनेशन: फ़िक्रा अल्फाज का एक ऐसा ग्रोह है जो जुमले में एक वाहिद यूनिट के तौर पर काम करता है। एक फ़िक्रा में एक क्लास के बरअक्स न तो फ़ाइल होता है और ना ही फ़ेल। वन नाउन फ्रेज, इस्म का फ़िक्रा। A noun phrase is a group of words that works as a noun in a sentence. इस्म का फ़िक्रा अल्फाज का एक ऐसा ग्रोह है जो जुमले में इस्म का काम करता है। The beautiful red flower bloomed in the garden. खूबसूरत सुर्ख फूल बाग में। She is reading a very interesting book. वो एक बहुत दिलचस्प किताब पढ़ रही है। Here are the examples again, with the noun phrases highlighted within each sentence. 1. Noun phrases. 1. The old house on the hill is haunted. 2. I bought a beautiful red rose for my mother. 3. My best friend from childhood moved away. 4. I waved at the boy with the blue shirt. 5. She is reading a very exciting book. 6. The speaker answered her deep, thoughtful questions. 7. He ate some delicious chocolate cake. 8. I don't know the person who called me. 9. She solved that difficult math problem. 10. A large fluffy cat napped on the chair. 11. He's proud of his powerful new car. 12. We looked at the shimmering stars in the night sky. 13. Everyone at the party was having fun. 14. The desire to travel is strong in me. 15. We drove down a long winding road. 16. Several happy children played in the park. 17. I saved the last piece of pie for you. 18. He is a well-known scientist. 19. I love her big warm smile. 20. The principal spoke to the girl with the long hair. Two. Adjective phrase, सिफत का फ़िक्रा. An adjective phrase is a group of words that modifies a noun or pronoun. सिफत का फ़िक्रा अल्फाज का एक ऐसा ग्रोह है जो किसी इस्म या ज़मीर की वजाहत करता है। He is a man full of wisdom. वो एक ऐसा आदमी है जो हिकमत से भरा हुआ है। The girl, extremely happy with her grades, celebrated. वो लड़की अपने नंबरों से इंतहाई खुश होकर जश्न मनाया। One. He was extremely happy about the news. 2. The basketball player is very tall for his age. 3. She was quite afraid of the dark. 4. We are ready to leave for our vacation. 5. His work is worthy of praise. 6. The children were full of joy after the party. 7. The instructions were easy to understand. 8. Her reaction was surprisingly generous. 9. This is a topic really difficult to explain. 10. The view from the mountain was absolutely stunning. 11. He was quickly responsive to my email. 12. The new sofa is more comfortable than the old one. 13. The room was brightly lit by the sun. 14. She was perfectly content with the outcome. 15. The teacher was very pleased with your work. 16. After the repairs, the car was as good as new. 17. The new phone is less expensive than I thought. 18. I'm too tired to continue walking. 19. They are deeply committed to the cause. 20. I was extremely satisfied with the service. Three. Adverb phrase, हाल का फ़िक्रा. An adverb phrase is a group of words that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. हाल का फ़िक्रा अल्फाज का एक ऐसा ग्रोह है जो किसी फ़ेल, सिफत या दूसरे हाल की वजाहत करता है। He runs at a very fast pace. वो बहुत तेज़ रफ्तारी से दौड़ता है। She spoke in a calm and clear voice. उसने एक पुरसुकून और साफ आवाज़ में बात की। Here are 20 examples of adverb phrases highlighted within each sentence. 1. He drove very slowly down the street. 2. She spoke with great sincerity. 3. He'll arrive in a moment. 4. They left at an incredibly early hour. 5. The car drove quite fast. 6. She smiled in a very friendly way. 7. The package arrived very late. 8. He ran as quickly as possible. 9. I'll see you after lunch. 10. The children were playing in the park. 11. He worked with determination. 12. The dog sat quite patiently. 13. She sang with a beautiful voice. 14. The movie ended much too soon. 15. He finished the race surprisingly easily. 16. They live very far away. 17. The meeting was cancelled due to bad weather. 18. She handled the situation with extreme care. 19. He responded in a calm manner. 20. They worked together as a team. 4. Prepositional phrase harf-e jar ka fakra. A prepositional phrase starts with a preposition and ends with an object. It can act as an adjective or an adverb. हर्फ जार का फिक्रा हर्फ जार से शुरू होता है और एक मफऊल पर ख़त्म होता है. ये सिफ्त या हाल के तौर पर काम कर सकता है. The keys are on the table. चाबियां मेज पर हैं. I am looking for the book with the blue cover. मैं नीले सरवरक वाली किताब ढूंढ रहा हूं.
Here are 20 examples of prepositional phrases highlighted within each sentence. 1. The book is on the table. 2. The man with the grey hair is my uncle. 3. She walked into the room without knocking. 4. The bird flew over the house. 5. He is standing next to the car. 6. I went to the store after school. 7. She bought a present for her mother. 8. He lives in a small town. 9. We'll meet at the coffee shop. 10. The picture on the wall is beautiful. 11. She ran across the street. 12. He is from another country. 13. The cat hid under the bed. 14. They talked for hours. 15. I'll be back in a minute. 16. The letter was from my friend. 17. The girl behind the counter smiled. 18. The keys are in the drawer. 19. He's a friend of mine. 20. The box is underneath the stairs.
Five. Verb phrase fail ka fikra. A verb phrase includes the main verb and any helping verbs. फेल का फिक्रा मरकजी फेल और इसके मुआवन अफ़ाल पर मुश्तमिल होता है. They have been working all day. वो सारा दिन काम करते रहे हैं. He should have told me the truth. उसे मुझे सच बताना चाहिए था. Here are 20 examples of verb phrases highlighted within each sentence. 1. She was running late for her appointment. 2. The team will have completed the project by Friday. 3. You should have been waiting for me at the station. 4. I could have gone to the party, but I was tired. 5. He is studying for his final exam. 6. My brother has been working all day. 7. She might be coming with us to the movies. 8. He did not finish his homework on time. 9. The train had already left when we got there. 10. I must have forgotten my keys at home. 11. The show will be starting in 5 minutes. 12. I have been trying to reach you all morning. 13. They are going to the store later. 14. I would have helped if I could. 15. It is going to rain this afternoon. 16. She could not find her glasses anywhere. 17. The witness may have been lying to the police. 18. You should listen to your parents' advice. 19. We used to live in that house. 20. He has to go now before it gets too late.